get to 24K, but it's not about me, it's about my boy Jose. Yeah, he's murdering right now on Kizomba and Semba. Yeah, man. So that you guys can come in. Yeah. Just put your stuff right there. We're doing a video, yeah? Still snowing outside. This is our beautiful city, Montreal. Yeah. Like, look at that. A lot of people right there on the other side as well. Yeah. Winter Festival. Don't look at the other side because, you never know what's there. All right? Yeah. But yeah, we're here. No, we're not Eskimos, but we live like Eskimos. All right. Agora vamos lá. José, na casa, vamos ler. Estou aqui. Canabra. Vamos para ser. Elias aqui nueso. 5, 6, 7, go. There you go. Aplauso.